Your team is shipping accessibility bugs, and you can stop it this week. It's a constant drag. Defects slip into pull requests, then into releases, and users are the first to feel the pain. But there's a simple way to stop this drift. The tool is DevTools. Developers actually trust it because it has a low false positive rate, meaning you won't waste hours chasing ghosts. Every issue it finds maps directly to a WCAG rule, so you know exactly why something failed and how to fix it. The setup is quick. Start with the browser extension. Open a page you're working on, run a scan, and fix the high-risk items right away. This habit alone builds massive momentum. Next, add Axe Core to your UI tests and CI pipeline. Set it to block any pull request that introduces a critical failure, like a keyboard trap or a missing button label. This becomes your automated gatekeeper, ensuring major issues never make it to production. Most failures are simple. Focus on giving controls clear names, maintaining a visible focus state, and using strong color contrast. Prefer native HTML elements. If it looks like a button, use a button tag. You don't need to become an accessibility expert overnight. You just need fast feedback and clear rules. By building these small habits and using tools that meet you where you work, you ship better code with more confidence. The site works better for everyone, and your releases stay